This afternoon, White House Chief of Staff Rahm Emanuel met with the head of the Special Olympics. This will come to you, Capehart, apologizing in person for the disparaging use of the word retarded. He was quoted using the word to refer to liberal activists like you, Sirota, last summer. I added that part. The comment got new attention earlier this week when Sarah Palin blasted Emanuel for it and said he should be fired. Palin, of course, has a son with Down syndrome. The political liability in this is immense, I suppose, or at least I shouldn't say it's immensely understandable. I don't know how big it actually is.
Right.
Foot and mouth syndrome. Is there anything worse here? What are we dealing with, Jonathan?
Look, he said it. It was reported in the Wall Street Journal. He was taken to task for it. I think Bill Burton today made it clear that Rahm Emanuel wanted to apologize, and he did. He met with Tim Shriver, the head of the Special Olympics, and from what I understand, the apology was accepted. And from the White House perspective, the apology's done, and it's time to move on.
Sounds like me and Debbie Wasserman Schultz. David Sirota, your thoughts on Rahm's view of the agenda of the most progressive factions of the left?
Well, there's two issues here. There's obviously his language, which was unacceptable. But what it's also unacceptable, really, is that the White House thinks that it should be and can give orders to outside progressive groups about whether those progressive groups should be pressuring members of Congress. The fact that many progressive groups have taken those orders is a huge, huge problem. The way to pass real progressive legislation in this country is for progressive groups to be pushing the White House, not to be taking orders from a hack like Rahm Emanuel at the White House.
But that would make you think you lived in a democracy, David, which we're all wondering these days of some of these things. I joke. Roger, the reality is the addition to the Rahm Emanuel story pretty much balanced things out, so you've talked the perfect amount now, even if it's just because we extended the segment. David, it's a pleasure.
It's
Jonathan, we'll talk to you soon.
Balance, Dylan.
We're
Thanks,
balanced.
Dylan.
We're back in balance. Thank you, Roger.